the problem from this our side. Okay. He was having fear of water, and there were two reasons. First of all, his mother told about the river Yakima. It is very dangerous river, and she warned him not to go near to that river. उसके नजदीक जाने की नहीं. And second incident, it happened when he was just uh, during his childhood with his father. He went to the California beach, and when both were standing near the water, a big wave, a very strong wave from the sea, it came and swept over him, and he was struck down. He was struck down, and he was totally covered with water, पानी के साथ, and it lasted a very deep fear in his mind. Because of that, there was a great fear in his mind, and he was unable to take it out. But he was determined person, and he tried to remove his fear from water, because there will be so many things he will be missing if he's be away from the water. Agar pani se dur rahega, he will be missing like sports and all. Okay. And when he was waiting at YMCA pool, YMCA pool pe wo wait kar raha tha, a strong boy, just 15 years old, very healthy boy, he came here and he told, how do you like to be thrown into the water? Aapko pani mein agar phenk de to kaisa lagega? And he was when he was waiting, jab wo wait kar raha tha. Actually, we'll start reading this one. I went to the pool when no one else was there. वहाँ पर कोई नहीं था, मैं pool पर गया. Means after 2-3 days of practice, little bit his fear he was overcome. He overcome his fear of water. उसने थोड़ा सा उसको overcome कर लिया. And the place was quiet. ये बिल्कुल कोई नहीं था. And the water was still. पानी में भी there was no movement at all. It was still water. बिल्कुल ठहरा हुआ पानी था. And the tiled bottom was as white as clean as the bathtub. जैसे bathtub जितनी भी होती, and all the tiles. It means the water was very clear. बिल्कुल साफ पानी था. Even the bottom or the floor of that pond pool, it could be seen. वो दिखाई दे सकता था. I was timid about going to alone. Timid, coward, very fearful, full of fear. He was not having dare to go inside. मतलब अंदर जाने की कोई हिम्मत नहीं थी. So I sat on the side of the pool and wait for others. He was not having any choice except waiting for others. भाई दूसरे जब आ जाए, then I'll go in. Okay. I have not been there for a long. मैं ज़्यादा देर नहीं था. When I came, a big bruiser of a boy, एक बहुत ही very healthy boy. He came, and the probably 18 years. हो सकता है 18 years. 18 years उसकी एज थी. And he had a thick hair on his chest. उसकी chest पर काफी hair थे. And he was quite beautiful physique specimen. एक तरह का specimen, sample rather you can say. Very good physique. उसकी जो physics थी, and the legs and the arms that showed the rippling muscles. उसके muscle दिखाई दे रहे थे. He had worked very hard to maintain the muscles and all, to maintain his physique. अपनी physique को, and he yelled. Yell means crying, चिल्लाया. And he's skinny, just skinny. That's why he called him skinny, because he was very lean and thin. How do you like to be ducked in? मतलब आपको कैसा लगेगा if I throw you inside? Ducked in means throwing into the water. पानी में अगर कैसा लगेगा अगर आपको drop कर दें. And with that, और इसका कहते हुए, he picked me up, मुझे pick up किया, tossed me into the deep end. Or deep end. What was the total depth of that one? 9 feet. It was 9 feet. And he just threw him on that side. उसकी तरफ फेंक दिया. I landed on a sitting position. मैं sitting position पे मतलब पानी में जाके गिरा. And swallowed water. और पानी मतलब it went into my stomach. पानी पेट में चला गया. At once to the bottom. And went at once to the bottom. और bottom में चला गया. I was frightened. मैं डर गया था. But not yet frightened out of wits. लेकिन इतना भी नहीं डरा था. Out of wits means I was in sense. Out of it, he has not lost sense. उसने मतलब sense नहीं lost की. On the other way, down, on the way down, when he was going down 9 feet, when he was going down, I planned. वो plan करने लगा how to come out, because he was already thrown down. There was no मतलब use of just crying over that one. उसके ऊपर चिल्लाने की. Only thing now we have to plan how to escape, how to come out from the water. पानी से कैसे बाहर निकले? That was the main important task at that time. And when my feet hit the bottom, जब उसके feet bottom को touch करेंगे, I would make a big jump. मैं एक बहुत बड़ा jump लूँगा. Mean full force I'll try to come out. मैं full force के साथ आऊँगा and jump to the surface and lie flat on it. लेकिन मैं उस पर लाई फ्लैट वहां पर ऑन इट उसके ऊपर मैं पड़ा रहा एंड द पैडल टू द एज ऑफ द वहां पर ऊपर आके देन आई पैडल टू द कॉर्नर rather than say edge of the pool कॉर्नर में चला जाऊंगा and it seemed long way down ये बिल्कुल mean 9 feet it was very long way he was going very slowly and those 9 feet were like a 90 feet वो 9 feet उसको 90 feet लग रहे थे and before I touched the bottom और इससे पहले वो bottom को touch करे my legs were ready to burst lungs were ready to burst उसके lungs because he had swallowed water पानी पी लिया था and he was not getting oxygen about to burst फटने ही वाले थे but when my feet hit the bottom लेकिन जब उसके feet touch the bottom को touch किए I summoned all my strength collected all my strength मैंने अपनी पूरी ताकत इकट्ठी की and made what I thought was a great spring upwards ऊपर की तरफ made a jump किया उसको ऊपर की तरफ I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cork और मैंने सोचा just like a cork means it is very light in weight when it is dipped into the water it come out very fast वो जल्दी आ जाएगा because of the weight of the cork और it is one light material cover बोतलों के अंदर उसको कवर करने के लिए होता है it is in the actually the cover is outside the body of the bottle but it will go inside okay instead I came up slowly इसकी बजाय मतलब he was thinking that he would come like a cork एक कॉर्क की तरह ऊपर आ जाएगा बट it did not happen ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ and I came up slowly मैं धीरे से आया I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water धीरे से आने लगा जब उसने आंखें खोली तो he could not see anything he was in water पानी के अंदर था water and that had a dirty yellow tinge to it और उसमें डर्टी भी था येलो टाइप लग रहा था I grew panicky I was just fearful घबरा गया था I reached up as if to grab a rope मैं ऊपर की तरफ जाने लगा रीच तक पहुंचा as if to grab a rope जैसे मुझे कोई रोप पकड़ने के लिए and my hand clutched only water means he was trying to catch something that there was a rope if there is a rope and all rope को पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा था but there was no rope and all so he could get only water पानी ही उसको मिल रहा था I was suffocating दम घुटना because of lack of oxygen and I tried to yell means he tried to speak cry चिल्लाने की कोशिश की but no sound came out कोई sound नहीं आई and then my eyes and nose came out of the water suddenly his eyes and nose came out of the water there will be a question when he started going first time after when he was thrown into the water when he was going down what did he do what was his condition what was his mental and physical condition is tracking it means he was in sense but his lungs were about to burst because he had swallowed maximum water पानी काफी ले लिया था but he had not lost his wit wit means sense उसने अपनी sense नहीं it means his mind was active and he planned that whenever he would touch the bottom of the that pool with the full strength he will try to come out and just like a cork की तरह but it did not happen ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ and but not by he just came out of the water but not my mouth उसका mouth नहीं आया only nose came out it means he was able to take some oxygen breathe and I flatted at the surface of water again flat at the surface of water flailed means again unsuccessful on the and swallowed and choked and again he swallowed water means he did not try to swim actually there and when he came out because of the force and all again he started moving down दोबारा फिर जाने लगा swallowed and choked means actually something blocking and I tried to bring my legs up मैंने अपनी legs को ऊपर लाने की कोशिश की but they hung as dead weight वो it means they were not working as dead weight जैसे weight हुआ था dead थी मतलब there was no movement at all paralyzed and rigid and वो बिल्कुल paralyzed हो चुकी थी और rigid not flexible no movement at all stick बिल्कुल a great force was pulling me down he was feeling some force pulling him it means all the limbs and all these were these limbs were not working he बिल्कुल काम नहीं कर रहे थे but he was mentally he was active up to this time this was the second time and pulling under I screamed चिल्लाया but only the water heard me लेकिन only आवाज मेरी कहाँ गई only in water I had started on the long journey back to the bottom of the pool. Now again, after coming onto the surface of the water, he started going down again. This is the second time. Okay. I stuck at the water as I went down. और जैसे ही मैं पानी I stuck at the water, उसको पानी को धकेलता हुआ, मतलब just pushing the water as I went down, जैसे मैं नीचे जा रहा था, expanding my strength as one in the nightmare. और जैसे nightmare, dreadful dream rather than say, डरावने सपने की तरह, I expanding my strength. My strength was going down, and the fights on an irresistible force. Irresistible, that force of water. He could not resist. वो resist नहीं कर पा रहा था, because he was not knowing how to swim. I had lost all my breath. मेरा सारा सांस मतलब खत्म हो चुका था. My lungs ached, my head off. My lungs ached, paining, ached, and my head throbbed. और उसका जो सिर था वो दर्द करने लगा. I was getting dizzy. Dizzy means now he was becoming a little bit senseless. अब वो बेहोश होने की स्थिति में. But I remember the strategy. But still I remembered that plan. What was the plan? And I would spring from the bottom of the pool. And again he would try to spring. Again he would try to jump from the bottom and come like a cork to the surface. And he would try to come like a cork. Fast he would come onto the surface. And why the cork will come? Because it is having a very less weight actually. The water which is being displaced. Actually, science rule, it is a science rule, I think you may be knowing now. Archimedes principle. And then I would get to the edge of the pool and be safe. Means this was the second time. What did he do? How did he plan when he was going second time? Second time क्या कर रहा था? Means he was having all sort of problem. He was losing little bit sense also, and but still his mind was active and he was planning same way to come onto the surface of the water. This was the second time. I went down endlessly. Means he was going very slowly. It is 9 feet again. It took a lot of time. I opened my eyes. मैंने आंखें खोली. Nothing but water with the yellow glow, means shining. पीले कलर का shining केवल water था. Dark water that one could not see through. उसके अंदर से मैं कुछ नहीं देख सकता था. And then the sheer stark terror ceased. और तब उसने एकदम sheer, very serious, very intensity was very high. जो डर की intensity, घोर जो डर था. And sheer stark terror seized me. मुझे बिल्कुल बांध दिया था. He was unable to move his arms and all body rather you can say body part and all, and he was unable to, and that knows no understanding. और वो जो बिल्कुल terror, जो डर था वो फिर आ गया था, जो जिसको कोई समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Terror that knows no control. उस terror पे, उस डर पर मेरा कोई control नहीं था. Terror that no one can understand and who has not experienced. वो terror, वो डर जिसके ऊपर कोई मतलब किसी को experience नहीं होता, किसी को कोई नहीं जान सकता उसको without experience, बिना experience के. I was sitting underwater, और मैं पानी के नीचे बिल्कुल sitting going under, and I was paralyzed underwater. पानी के नीचे मैं मतलब चिल्लाते हुए, but I was paralyzed. Paralyzed means unable to move my parts, body, organs, and stiff, very stiff, not flexible. कोई movement नहीं, बिल्कुल सख्त हो जाना, rigid with fear. और डर से मैं बिल्कुल rigid हो गया था, not flexible. Even the scream in my throat were frozen. जो मेरी गले से आवाज निकल रही थी चिल्लाने की, it was frozen. वो भी बंद हो गई थी. Only my heart and the pounding in my head. केवल मेरा दिल और केवल सिर की धड़कन, मतलब this was whatever the head was having a throbbing, pounding in my head said that I was still alive. मतलब मुझे लग रहा था इन चीजों से that I was alive. मैं केवल उनसे ही alive था. मतलब he was when he was going, everything started becoming worst. बिल्कुल worst होने लगी थी. His hands, everything, and he was just becoming senseless. But his mind was still working, mind and head. And then in the midst of the terror came a touch of reason. एक उसमें reason था, मतलब he started thinking, I must remember to jump. कि मुझे jump करना याद रहना चाहिए. And when I hit the bottom, at last I felt the tiles under me. और मैंने टाइल फील की अंडर मी एंड माय टोज रीच्ड आउट एज इफ टू ग्रैब देम। मेरे टोज नीचे गए उसको ग्रैब करने के लिए, पकड़ने के लिए। आई जंप with the everything I had, means whatever the power, whatever the strength he was having in that condition, he jumped, उसने jump किया। But the jump made no difference, इस jump से कुछ नहीं हुआ। The water was still around me, अभी भी पानी मेरे चारों तरफ था। I looked for ropes, ladders, मतलब he was trying to something he could get in water, पानी में कुछ मिल ही जाए उसको, ladder and all, water beings, nothing but water, लेकिन उसके हाथ कुछ नहीं लगा, only water was there। A mass of yellow water held me, और पीले पानी ने उसको held, रोक लिया। Stark took an even deeper hold on me, अब जो डर था उसने और ज्यादा उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल कर लिया। My like a great charge of electricity, जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जैसे करंट लगने के बाद। I shook and trembled with fright, और मैं बिल्कुल हिल गया था। shook and trembled with fright, डर से कांपने लगा। My arms would not move, अब मेरी आर्म्स भी नहीं मूव कर रही थी। legs would not move, I tried to call for help, और हेल्प के लिए मैंने बुलाया, but to call for mother and nothing happened, मतलब कुछ भी वो, he was unable to say anything also। And then the strangely there was light, तब अचानक लाइट हुई। I was coming out of the full yellow water, मैं पानी से ऊपर आ रहा था। मैं in the deep it was a dark little bit, but when he was trying to come he saw some light, it means he was just near the surface of the water। And at least my eyes were, my nose was almost out too, मेरी nose अभी भी बाहर हो गई थी, out। Then I started down a third time, this was the third time, means actually he came out 2 times on the surface, and now he was going third time to come again, he was unable to, and no one saved him, that was। Then I started down third time, I sucked for air and got water, मैंने हवा के लिए सांस लेने की कोशिश की, I got water, पानी मिला। Yellowish light was going out, अब जो लाइट थी वो जा रही थी, लाइट। And then all of her ceased, उसकी सारी कोशिशें खत्म हो चुकी थी। I relaxed, he was feeling now comfortable, relaxed, not to try anything, अब कुछ भी वो ट्राई नहीं कर रहा था। Even my legs felt limp, और उसके फेल्ट, बिल्कुल जो उसकी टांगें थी वो बिल्कुल लिम्प मींस अनेबल टू वर्क, अनेबल टू फंक्शन, जैसे पैरालाइज होना, अपंग जैसे। एंड द ब्लैकनेस स्वेप्ट ओवर माय ब्रेन, मेरे दिमाग में भी इट वाज नाउ ब्लैकनेस, इट मींस ही वाज लूजिंग हिज सेंस, अब वो अपनी सेंस होश खो रहा था। एंड इट वाइप्ड आउट माय फियर, नाउ आई वाज नॉट हैविंग एनी फियर, अब उसको कोई डर नहीं था। आई वाइप्ड आउट टेरर, जो भी डर था वो खत्म हो चुका था। देयर वाज नो मोर पैनिक, अब किसी भी तरह की मुझे घबराहट नहीं थी। एक्चुअली ही हैड सरेंडर्ड हिमसेल्फ, अब उसने सरेंडर कर दिया। एंड इट वाज क्वाइट एंड पीसफुल, बिल्कुल विदाउट एनी मूवमेंट, पीसफुल, कोई ट्राई नोट टू ट्राई एनीथिंग टू सेव हिमसेल्फ, कोई कोशिश नहीं, शांति थी। नथिंग टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ, अब किसी का डर नहीं था। एंड दिस इज ए नाइस टू बी ड्राउजी, ड्राउजी मींस लूजिंग सेंस, ड्राउजी होना इट इज नाइस, ये बहुत अच्छा है। टू गो टू स्लीप, सो जाओ मींस परमानेंटली। एंड नो नीड टू जंप, अब कोई जंप करने की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड टू टायर्ड, वो काफी थक चुका था, टू जंप। एंड इट्स नाइस टू बी कैरिड जेंटली, मतलब धीरे धीरे मरना, कैरिड जेंटली, इट इज नाइस। एंड टू फ्लोट अलोन इन सरफेस, एंड टू फ्लोट अलोंग इन स्पेस, स्पेस में घूमना आराम से विदाउट एनी। एंड टेंडर आर्म्स अराउंड मी, तो मेरी टेंडर वेरी सॉफ्ट आर्म जो मेरे चारों तरफ थी, टेंडर आर्म्स लाइक मदर, मुझे ऐसी लग रही थी जो मेरी मदर की है। नाउ आई मस्ट गो टू स्लीप, नाउ ही थॉट दैट आई मस्ट गो टू स्लीप फॉरएवर, परमानेंट। एंड आई क्रॉस टू बी द ओब्लियन, और मैंने इसको हर चीज को क्रॉस कर लिया था। एंड द कर्टेन ऑफ लाइफ फेल, और उसकी जिंदगी का जो कर्टेन था वो गिर चुका था, कर्टेन ऑफ लाइफ फेल, उसके जीवन का सब कुछ क्रॉस टू द ओब्लिवियन मींस सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग, ही फॉरगॉट एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ भूल चुका था। नाउ he lost sense and he did not know what happened. And now the next I remember, अब उसको याद आया, I was lying on my stomach beside the pool, pool के बराबर में, he was just lying on the stomach, पेट के बल पड़ा हुआ था। and vomiting, और vomit कर रहा था. The chap that threw me in was saying, जिसने मुझे the boy who threw me into the pool, जिसने pool में मुझे डाला था, but I was only fooling. But उसने कहा he was trying, मैं तो इसको बुद्धू बना रहा था. And someone said, और किसी ने कहा, the kid nearly died, ये मरने के बिल्कुल कगार पर था. And be all right now, लेकिन अब ठीक हो जाएगा. Let's carry him to the locker room, अब इसको लॉकर रूम में लेके चलते हैं. Let's carry him, इसको लेके चलते हैं. Then he can change his clothes and all. Several hours later, काफी घंटों के बाद, I walked home, वो घर की तरफ जाना शुरू किया. I was weak and trembling, मैं काफी weak था, and trembling means shaking, कांपना, कांप रहा था. I shook and cried, मैंने मतलब I was shaking, trembling and cried, चिल्ला रहा था. I lay on my bed, मैं अपने बेड पर पड़ा हुआ था. I could not eat that night, उस रात मैं खाना भी नहीं खा सका. For a days a hunting fear was in mind, पूरे दिन का जो fear था, whatever that actually very dreadful fear, and it was in my mind, वो मेरे mind में था. The slightest exertion upset me, थोड़ी सी भी exertion means physical energy required to do something, थोड़ा सा काम करने की वो की जो physical power is required, that upset मुझे उदास कर देती, making me wobbly in the knees and sick to my stomach, और making me मतलब मुझे काफी परेशान कर रही, मुझे मेकिंग में काफी परेशान, एंड मुझे काफी परेशान कर रही थी और बीमार कर रही थी. वॉबलिंग इज अनेबल टू वॉक प्रॉपर्ली, जो ठीक से बात चल नहीं पाता. नीज एंड इन द नीज एंड सिक टू माय स्टोमक, और मुझे स्टोमक से मतलब बीमार लग रहा था मुझे. ही वाज अनेबल टू फील कंफर्टेबल. आई नेवर वेंट बैक टू पूल, मैं कभी फिर पूल पे उस पर नहीं गया. एंड आई फियर्ड वाटर, पानी से मुझे, आई अवॉइडेड इट व्हेनेवर आई कुड, मींस आई स्टार्टेड अवॉइडिंग द वाटर, पानी को अवॉइड करना शुरू कर. ओके. अ फ्यू इयर्स लेटर व्हेन आई केम टू नो द वाटर्स ऑफ द कैस्केड, और जब मुझे कैस्केड, इट इज जस्ट लाइक मुझे पता लगा कि झरना टाइप जैसे होता है, द वाटर इट कम्स ओवर द टॉप एंड फॉल्स ऑन द इन द हिली एरियाज. कैस्केड, आई वांटेड टू गेट इनटू देम, मैं वहां जाना चाहता था. बट व्हेनेवर आई डिड, जब भी मैं ऐसा सोचता, वेदर आई वाज वेडिंग द टाइटन और बम्पिंग द रिवर और बाथिंग इन द वार्म लेक ऑफ द गोट बॉक्स, मतलब ये दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ द रिवर. जब भी मैं इनमें, आई वाज वेडिंग, जब मैं इनमें मतलब नहा रहा था, या जब इन पानी में, टाइटन इट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट. bumping nadi, it is also name. All these are the capital letter, it means these are noun, and certainly these are the name. The terror that had seized me in the pool would come back, means whatever terror I was having because of that he has left the pool, जब भी वो पानी के नजदीक जाता उसको वही डर वापिस आ जाता. And would take possession of my completely, possession of me, मतलब मेरे ऊपर पूरा वो जो डर था वो कंट्रोल कर लेता था. My legs would become paralyzed, and after only just thinking, just realizing that terror, his limbs and all legs, arms would stop working, काम करना छोड़ देते थे. Icy horror or would grab my heart, मेरे दिल पर भी उसका इतना grab, कैच करना, that terror, जो terror होता. As the years rolled by, this handicap again, this fear, it stayed with me, मेरे साथ ही रहा. As the years rolled by, जैसे ही सालों बीतते गए. In the canoes on main lakes, canoes boating in the main lake, fishing for landlocked salmon, और fishing करना salmon, it is again, and the bass fishing in New Hampshire, New Hampshire में मतलब fishing करना. Trout fishing on the Dutchman, trout, these are the other type of fish in the deserts, and Metolius in Oregon. These were the fish. Actually, he is deprived of all these sports activities. ये जितनी भी activities होती थी, boating and all, boating, fishing, sports game, मतलब he was deprived of because of his fear from water. पानी से उसके जो डर के कारण था, उसने ये. Now, fishing on the at the bumping lake in Cascade, whenever I went, haunting fear of the water followed me. जब भी मैं उनके पास जाता, वहां पर जो रिवर थी एंड दैट कैस्केड एंड दैट लेक, जो वाटर लेक, बंपिंग लेक थी, एंड द सेम फियर, सेम टेरर इट केम, एंड आई ruined माय फिशिंग ट्रिप। इससे उसका फिशिंग ट्रिप डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया था। डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ जॉय ऑफ कैनोइंग, कैनोइंग बोटिंग, नाव चलाना भी वो नहीं कर सकता था, एंड स्विमिंग, and swimming means sports activities, because of this fear he was deprived of all these things। इन चीजों से वो deprived था। deprived means वंचित रह जाना, इनसे वंचित रह गया। Okay, how many participants? Yes, students. 28. Very less students. Try to come. Try to join. Tomorrow we will complete this chapter, and last 2 days we will go for the revision of the chapters. Revision will be there in the next week. Okay. Next week I think there will be 2 days classes, and there will be a revision after that. For 2 days we will revise the poem again, the chapters and all. I will complete tomorrow this chapter. ये चैप्टर कल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। आफ्टर दैट विल गो फॉर रिवीजन फॉर द UT1। UT1 I think syllabus you might have got, otherwise you will get today। Okay, anyone wants to ask anything? Yes, first let's see। Yes, let's see, 5-6 minutes are there। if you are having any doubt, anything, you can raise your hand। you can raise your hand and switch on your camera, and then you can talk। come on students, raise your hand। if the chapter is clear, then also you raise your hand। let's see how many students। if chapter is clear, whatever portion is taught, जितना भी अब पढ़ाया गया है, if chapter is clear, you raise your hand, one of the students। yes, I think one, Sanjay, non-medical, raise your hand if you are listening। Sanjay, non-medical, yes। uh, okay, okay, hands down, you can। okay, now next is, I think, Komal, if the portion, whatever it is taught to you, if you are not having doubt, it means if it is clear up to the portion, whatever the portion is covered, you just raise your hand. Komal, Komal, raise your hand if chapter is clear to you। If chapter is clear to you, raise your hand। Yeah, how to come out. And he thought that whenever he would go and touch the this floor को जैसे ही touch करेगा pool को, and with the full strength he will try to come out with a cork की तरह आएगा। and first when he went, he went very slowly, बहुत ही धीरे से वो गया था, and 9 feet it looked like a 90 feet। 9 feet उसको 90 feet लग रहा था। and then he uh, mustered his power and just made a jump, but he did not go like this। in the in between he tried to open his eyes and nothing could see, but finally he came out of the came onto the surface of the water। only his mouth remained there, only up to nose, and he breathed something, and after that again the legs and all, it stopped working। they were not supporting him, usko support nahi kar rahe the, and the lungs were also about to burst, uske lung, because he had swallowed lot of water। उसने काफी पानी पी लिया था, अंदर चला गया था, बिकॉज एंड दिस वर क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम फॉर द लंग्स के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो रही। एंड ही स्टार्टेड मूविंग डाउन, एंड वंस अगेन ही स्टार्टेड प्लानिंग अगेन, एंड दोबारा फिर प्लानिंग करने लगा। एंड दिस टाइम एक्चुअली वाज फीलिंग लिटिल बिट ड्राउजी, डिजीनेस रादर यू कैन से, थोड़ा सा उसको senseless, he was becoming little bit senseless, but mind was active। again he replanned same thing, he was thinking same thing, that whenever he touched the bottom, he would come like a cork की तरह आएगा। and again he made a jump, but he was not successful। he just came onto the surface and he tried to inhale air, but water got in, and he started moving down। this is the third time he started going down। तीसरी बार भी वो जाना शुरू कर दिया। and after that, मतलब he actually he surrendered himself, and he put up all the efforts to save himself, and he was feeling very comfortable। he was feeling the arms and all, that arms of the mother, अपनी mother की गोद में अपने आप को महसूस कर रहा था. And he left everything, no terror, no panic, nothing, and only peace and quiet. There was no movement. It means he had surrendered. But when he came to sense, and he lost the sense, उसने sense हो गया. His heart was only working. There was some beating of heart and the head. These were working. His mind was working. But after that, when he came to sense, जब वो sense में आया, he left. He found himself lying on the pool. Pool के ऊपर उसने अपने आप को वो किया. Okay. So next portion we will complete tomorrow. Yes, students. Okay. Have a nice day and start preparing for your exam also. Okay. And those who have not sent homework, please try to send. Yes, you can wind up the meeting, sir.